Yes, my people, good day. You might be wondering, what am I doing with a hammer and chisel in a valve cover? I am replacing the tube seals. This is the procedure. It looks crazy. If you don't do this and you just use the seal puller, that's all that happens. The guts come out, leaving the cladding inside the valve cover. And you see that? There is nothing to grab onto. My friend is like, oh, you're going to scar it. Just watch and see how it go. This is the right tool right here. Hammer and chisel. Hammer on it, and this is what you are attempting to achieve. You see that little lip right there, that metal cladding? You're trying to put a little edge on it. Grab the seal puller and get it under there. Gingerly hold the valve cover firm, and it comes right up out of there, just like that. This is the kit. New part. And see the tool here. Yeah, talk about tool. Yeah, ask about tool. So I use the one where match up the process. See that? Match the closest, so we'll use that. See, it have two sides. You have that side and that side. So this side is for the thing for going in like that. You understand? When you put it on the boot, you see? See? Like so. Installing the seals in the correct position is very important. There is a in and a out, so you don't want to put them in upside down, but the manufacturer put these little metal tabs on the valve cover that hold the seal just in case the seals might fall out during operation, so it interferes with the installation. So I had to use the pliers and kind of bend back the two little tabs. Now, when do you know that the seal is all the way in? It's all about sound. Listen to the solid sound. Yes, it is all the way down. So you don't need to go any further. And you just repeat the process going through all the seals, how you remove them and how you install them. And that's it. And you can save yourself a lot of money. You understand? It's not so difficult. I just saw the thing set. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.